How to make people feel good. It is said that people will forget everything, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So that feeling stays with them for life. And if you can master this one skill, you will be able to connect with people, make people trust you, make people like you instantly. But one thing is, you have to be genuine. It should be authentic. It should not be fake. Welcome to the Leadership Accelerator podcast. I am Harshal Vaingankar, your host. This is again a very important point, because let me tell you that even a kid craves for it, and even a 70-year-old man craves for that need. Tony Robbins says that humans have 6 needs, and one of them is what we are going to talk here. We are little kanjus, or say in Hindi we call kanjus or miser in terms of appreciating people, because we are not taught that in the corporate world. For sure, we don't know, or we think that when we appreciate people, we are committing some kind of a sin, right? But let's face it, I need appreciation. You also feel the need to getting recognized or appreciated. Do you know anyone in this world? There would be very rare few people who don't need recognition. But everyone, 99.9% humans want to get recognized, wants the appreciation. Right? Appreciation can uplift someone. Not can, actually, it does uplifts people's spirit. Like, people feel that they are wanted. People feel that they are part of a group when they are appreciated. Right? So say for example, if someone does in your team, if someone is doing a good job, why not just appreciate, hey boss, you have done a fantastic job. Appreciate the act. I'm not talking about appreciating that human being as such, but appreciate the act that he has done. For example, if his work was flawless, why not appreciate it? Boss, last assignment that you submitted was flawless. I really appreciate that. So start your appreciation from your home itself. So for example, your wife makes food for you, or your child gets you a glass of water. Why not appreciate them, thank them, and recognize the efforts that they have taken? Will that have a good, warm relationship with your spouse or with your kid? Will they feel good when you appreciate them? Will you feel good when someone appreciates you for just getting a glass of water for someone? Think about it. That really will help people to connect with you. They will like you for that, because you appreciate even the smallest gesture that anyone does for you, or for, in that matter, for that project that you guys are working on. If someone does a fantastic job, why not appreciate everyone for that smallest of the thing that they have done? So start practicing appreciation. So when you appreciate people, be sincere, be very clear and distinct. When you say thank you, or when you appreciate someone, be it. And always use their name when you are appreciating them, because that really adds a lot of value. So when you use a name, say for example, if you want to say thank you Sachin versus thank you. So when you take the name, it really connects with that person. Before we end, here's a notebook for you. Make sure that you appreciate at least one person every single day. May that be your friend, your spouse, your kid, your parents, your brother, your sister, anyone. Appreciate them genuinely from your heart. Recognize even the smallest of the gesture. And practice it for the next 7 days. One person every single day, minimum. And see how the other person feels, how they take it. You will definitely make their day. So do you promise to recognize, appreciate one person every single day for the next 7 days minimum? And don't forget to like, share and follow for more such content. Till then, bye.